But the Midge is around here, man. Wow. There doesn't seem to be midges about here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, Mick.
And I'm Willow.
Today you've joined where we've just done my normal thing, just got up and think, right, where we're going to go. We've ended up at Kielder Forest. It's been a while since we've been here, hasn't it?
Remember the last time?
I think the last time we came here was what, anniversary?
No.
No, we came after that. But we like coming here, we like coming to Kielder. It's lovely, it's so quiet today, it's peaceful, so hot. So we came out. We're still trying to pull ourselves down off a high from the Slumber and the Humber. But the festival, we've just been reliving it all week, haven't we?
Yeah.
So what we have done is we have booked for our next festival, which is next month, Redwick Lake camper van show or something.
It's a love vibe.
Yeah.
It's like a yoga retreat thing, isn't it?
Healing
Sound
and
healing.
Reiki and there's loads of stuff like that going on.
Reiki and that.
So yeah, man, I'm excited for this next festival.
One's really far down south as well, isn't it?
Yes.
It's going to be a good journey, isn't it?
A gazebo for the outside, we've ordered it. Because now we're festival goers, we need a flagpole and a flag.
Flashy lights. And...
Yeah, flashing lights. I think we might take, because what I've done is I've parked up at the observatory bit. I think we might take a walk up the observatory. I think I'll put the kettle on and make a cup there. More or less just looking at the state of the van thinking, shit.
That's shocking. I think that's a chick or something making that noise.
That's what I was thinking before, if it's a chick. All else is going to make some soup.
Very, very soon, because my tummy is talking to me.
Is it?
Saying, eat cake. You can't because you haven't got any.
Yeah, your stomach's got a vocabulary. My stomach talks, but it just usually goes.
No, mine specifically tells us what it wants and everything. And it's cake. And it's not like a carrot cake. Oh.
Homemade soup. You know what? Like when you move in the van with us, right? Like when you make the soup in the van, we'll have to change its name to van-made soup.
I know my pops was asking, he was like, how was your carrot and coconut soup? I said, it was beautiful.
Oh,
I said, the next time I make it, I'll bring some over for you. I don't like that. Because I'd put butternut squash in it. He's like, I don't like that stuff. I was like, but you don't know in my soup though.
Yeah, because I wasn't, when you mentioned what it was, I was thinking, ooh.
Did you think too?
But then when I tasted it, I was like, holy shit, that's really nice.
I created that in my own head, you know. I thought if I put that and that together.
That's what you say to that when you make potions, isn't it?
I just hope for the best.
So we'll enjoy some more of the sun and have some soup.
is my new life. You teach me to see right. Your love is enough. Your love is enough.
Catch up the wall, that's because she's running away from us. We're going to take a walk up the observatory, which is...
Do not enter. Why is it only for pre-booked guests?
Let me piss off. Never used to be, and that's very, very unfair if it is. So we're going to take a walk up here. Have a nice walk, I think.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. When we were still alive. When we were still alive. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive.
So this is the observatory. Obviously it's a circular wall with a hole in the ceiling. Can you hike up though, isn't it?
It's a nice reverberate out here when you...
Hold that and I'll find out.
Sounds like one of my farts. It goes round in a spiral. Quite beautiful.
So Will is getting a bit freaked out because I was telling her the story.
What story?
The Vikings, when the Vikings
No,
were
don't
getting
talk
home.
about Vikings again. Don't talk about Vikings again. I was forgetting about it, and I was forgetting about it. Because it feels, it's got a weird feeling here.
It has, but this is where they used to, in Kielder Forest, is where they used to hang Vikings.
No, they didn't used to hang
It did.
Vikings here. Not really.
It was?
No, you just
Well-
saying it frighten us. Tell us. No, Michael. Well, come and go then. Like quicker. Michael. I'm telling.
I'm going home.
I'm telling.
Which way is it? This way or that way?
Yeah, I don't know. Didn't come through a fence, did we? Michael,
Yeah, 'cause-
no, it's his exit here. Please don't make it go the wrong way.
But being a witch, she hates being in the spooky woods.
No, because it feels like it does. Because I don't know what it is. It has this feeling.
It's got an eerie feeling.
Yeah.
I think it's just because it's quiet, there's
It's
no one
so
about.
quiet.
It's like really quiet. So we're getting back to the van. The sun's obviously nearly setting. But the midges on here, man, wow, it is just, I don't know if you can see them.
Absolutely ridiculous.
There is millions of them. I think we're going to get sorted. And see if we can go, see if we can find somewhere to spend the night. think we might have found we'll have a little place to stay, because there doesn't seem to be midges about here. It was rife up there, mate. Whoa.
Oh, isn't it pretty?
Not as pretty as you.
Oh.
It's basically just on the corner from the observatory. We just took off the main road.
Got a
Beautiful view. Yeah, there's not many midges here. I think we'll stay here the night. Watch the sunset. What else is gonna make a cacao? So I think I might get the guitar out for a bit. Right, I was wrong about the bloody bugs. Got the fly paper out. Pig and midges. Just thought, oh, they've moved over there, let's go over there, let's go and find them.
Chase the van.
Chase the white van. So I think we'll bid you good night. And we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Wet one it is this morning. It's been raining all morning. The sun's coming out now. The sun's coming out now. There's a birds of prey centre in the corner.
If it's like the one at first, that was amazing, that one, and they were really, really, really well looked after, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Need to go back to sleep.
Yours I will. I think we'll have a coffee. It's a bit noisy this road, like. It started from about 5 o'clock this morning. And there's quite a few wagons passing at high speed.
Very high speed.
Like, this is where the road is, well, Treddy. So like we're right on the road. But I mean, we're sheltered in.
But people do an half race along this road.
Yeah, they do. Like they must think it's a Daytona, part of the Daytona track or something. So I'm gonna have a coffee. Get myself sorted, and I'm 75 to 80% set on going to this birds of prey centre. But it's gonna be nice. The sun's coming out. The sky's gonna clear. The clouds are gonna go. The wind is gonna subside, and it's gonna be a glorious day. I'll have our coffees, and we'll get ready. Well, the sun is out and the sun is beautiful. There's loads of these little swallows flying about, like loads. Yeah, we're sorted, we're ready. We are going to go and take a long drive just around the corner. That's where the bird of prey centre is. Catch you in a bit. We are here at the bird of prey centre. The sun is out, the jumpers are off. The sun's got some heat to it, it is lovely. So let's go and see what all this is about.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there. Texting this boy with the long hair. Yeah.
So it's tiny, this one, compared to the one at Thirsk. Looking forward to seeing the display though, seeing them fly, because I don't like seeing them in a cage. It's not nice. Well, apparently there's a bar somewhere around here, so we're going to go and get some food, then come back for the display at 1:30. Well, that would have been perfect had it not been for the wasp, or the swarm of wasps.
Added extra wasps.
Wasps.
Well, trying to get in your mouth when you are eating.
Oh,
and
yeah.
everything. That was just,
We even
I've never
moved-
experienced anything like it.
We even moved tables because we thought maybe it was because we were a bit close to the plants, but they seem to follow her.
Like gherkin. Is that a word?
Gherkin. Well, it is now.
It was gherkin when I was trying to eat my gherkin.
We're going to go back and catch the show for 1:30. Might feel a bit better if I see them flying than what I did when I seen the birds in the cage.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts. And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than my dreams. And I can't stop to breathe. One last lie before the truth. One last fight before I lose. I ask myself, where should I go? Did I do enough to feed my soul? And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than my
It was cool because I got them to land on, which was really
Yeah,
cool.
that was cool, like getting them to come and land on the glove.
Yeah.
It's so much nicer seeing them flying about though and getting... I know they're lazy and birds of prey don't really want to fly unless they have to, but it is nice to see them flying about like that.
It's nice to see them flying about right now. Come back and see the next.
Yeah, there's another one on at 3 o'clock, so I think we'll go to the van and make a coffee and then pop back at 3 o'clock and see the other one, eh?
Sit in the sun for a
Sit in the sun for a bit, it's lovely, isn't it? Go down.
Guys, she's called Eden. Now, I can go to the female barn owl, guys, because she's got a lot of lovely little black speckles on her chest. Now, this is a good indication the barn owl is a female. Well done. Now, the male barn owls, they don't have the black speckles. And also, guys, I'm telling you everything, they tend to be ever so slightly smaller than the female barn owl. Now, the barn owl, guys, is a specialist small rodent hunter. So, in the wild, she eats mice, shrews. However, she does rely heavily on the short-tailed Kielder population. The short roots spend 2 years for age. Now, how does she pick up the name, the barn owl? Now, what happened, guys? We built the barns. And then what happened? The rodents moved in. So the mice, the shrews and the voles, they all moved in because they were eating the grain rodents. So this roughly works out to 3 mice, shrews or voles a day. Please remember, try not to poison your rodents, because if you poison your mice, your shrews, your voles and your rats, you also poison the owls as well, likely. Which obviously, from my perspective, I'm rather glad about. Because if she hadn't, I don't know how, but she eats everyone in the audience. Righty guys, remember those looking behind you, she'll surely eat you. Oh, she's on her way! She's on her way! Well, she's on her way, still as you can, guys! Still as you can! Right then, guys, this is Sarah! Right over there, try it again, still as you can, guys! Well done! Still as you can! She's on her way! Sarah, you're cheating! She's cheating, God bless her! Now this is Sarah! Now, Sarah is a red-legged or crested serena. However, like I say, she can run and hit speeds of 30 miles an hour. Look at her go. Keep going, Sarah. Take your time. I thought everybody can run at 30 miles an hour. Come on, Sarah. Take your time. Now, like I say, so what does Sarah like to eat in the wild? Well, it's no longer big cats. Look at Sarah. Now, she likes to eat reptiles, guys. So, we've got snakes and we've got lizards. Now, what you have to remember, choppity chop, Sarah, keep going, take your time. She's posing for the camera, sir. Take your time, Sarah, keep going. There we go. Power when she's striking on the snake. Now, again, guys, she's capture bred. So she's never been to South America. She came from Lincoln when she was 10 days old. Didn't you, Sarah? So she effectively looks a bit like a modern day roadrunner. Now in the wild, if she's lucky, she'll reach between 5 and 7 years. Here with us again, all being well, she should reach 55.
There it is.
Here's the sign for you. Hello. Hi guys, this way is grey owl. This is Aspen. No. Yes, it is, yeah, now, like I say, the Aspen is a great grey owl. Now, the great grey owl, what you'll notice, she's got these magnificent yellow eyes. Now, this is a good indication. If an owl has yellow eyes, they're what we term diurnal. So that means Aspen here, she actually comes out during the daytime. Now she's got this magnificent facial dish. Now, like I say, she's got the asymmetrical or the directional hearing, guys. Now the great grey owl is capable of locating a vole as it tunnels under 30 centimetres of snow while she's sat 70 foot up a tree. Now, like I say, so her hearing is incredible. Now, what you will notice, guys, with Aspen, she can't move her eyes. So, because she can't move her eyes, what she's got to do, guys, is she's got to turn, well done, her head. Right then, guys, so here he is. This is Hayes. Finally does decide to fly, you will notice he's got a beautiful forked tail. Now the red kite is the only kite species to have a forked tail. Well, sorry, it's the only bird of prey that has a forked tail. So if you see a buzzard, an osprey, run, Sarah! He's on his way! He's really close! He's there. He's on his way again! Sorry. Now, like I say, it's a lovely forked tail. So if you see an osprey buzzard, or not talking for example, it doesn't have a forked tail on the land. However, what you have to remember, he's a scavenger, so it would have already been dead. But we didn't see it like that. However, between 1989 and 1992, the introduction program started. So kites were brought over from Spain, and they were released into 4 areas of England, guys. We had Gateshead, we had Harewood House, Chiltern. And now the red kite population is doing absolutely incredible. They are now once again a thriving species here in the UK. So here's an insect, guys. Normally he drops it everywhere. And people end up covered in this. This is why I now do things at home. Right, H. So kite sets off. Insect goes up. Very awesome, good one. Like I say, guys, that's a beautiful red kite. And it's a species I'm glad to see back here in the UK. Guys, is a hybrid falcon. So, these 2 falcon species, they've been crossed together to make one. Well, you notice in a minute, guys, Horace, you can't actually see anything. Now, to the older generation, this is because he's been hoodwinked, which is where the term comes from. When you say you've been hoodwinked or you've been tricked, right now Horace got a little hood covering his eyes. He thinks it's night time. If I leave him long enough, he'll go to sleep. But you've got to remember, Horace's eyesight's incredible. It's 6 times better than mine and yours. So if I want to keep him calm prior to him flying, I just remove his main sensory output, which is his eye. Now I do need to say, about a week ago, unfortunately he was rather naughty. He may have accidentally on purpose nearly caught a rabbit. Like I say, we're looking for Horace to shake every single feather. Right guys, here's the house. Off he goes. Right, falcons, they have evolved to fly at incredibly high So, one of our native falcon species, the peregrine falcon, is not only the fastest falcon species in a stoop or a vertical dive, it's actually one of the fastest creatures on the planet. So, in a stoop, a peregrine falcon, it can reach 242 miles an hour. However, the forest dive is a bird. And it's a bird that's trying hard to catch. So if at any point you just catch it, guys, I do have to give it to you. Because he's using an awful lot of energy. Inside Horace's nose, he has what we call baffles. So, what are baffles? Now, baffles are corkscrewed, cone-shaped points inside Horace's nose.
Pretty cool that they interact with the crowd now, I think. Kids love it as well, didn't they? Different. It's nice to see how different places do different things with them though.
I mean, it's not as like big as Cirque, but
No, it's not as big as Cirque, but still.
it's still lovely to be
Yeah,
there.
too.
There's more interaction with the crowd.
Yeah.
I think.
And yeah, I was just feeling sorry for this big grey owl behind her because it's in the cage locked up. When it does get out, it just wants to be back in the cage, doesn't it? Nah, they do a good job here, didn't
She's
they?
like, no.
The birds love him and all, didn't they, Shane?
Absolutely
They absolutely love Shane. So,
You can tell that they do. He spends his time with them.
yeah. More than just a job. Right, it's not just a job to them, is it?
No,
It's a
no.
lifestyle, really, isn't it? Brilliant, man. So I think we'll leave you guys here. Enjoy the rest of this day in the sun. But yeah, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up,
And ding that bell.
and catch you next time.
Peace.